Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And guys, it's been a while. I hope everybody had a great Christmas, a great New Year's. I did take some time away for the holidays, and I have a lot going on in my life right now. I did decide to come out of retirement and go back on the road as a full-time paramedic. So I'm having a little less time to be able to dedicate to the watch channel, but I'm still bringing this stuff out to you guys. I've got all these watches that have piled up over the last couple of weeks because, guys, I have a problem. I keep buying watches. I just love watches. I have so many watches right now, and these watches came in, like I said, over the past couple of weeks, and I'm going to start to go over some of them individually for you guys. But today I just kind of wanted to do a box opening just to kind of show you guys what I've accumulated over the past couple of weeks. And as always, I want to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for making this channel work for me. If you do like this content, I would definitely appreciate this thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out davethewatchman.com, see all of the watches I do review here, and I provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick up any of these watches that are shown here and purchase them for yourselves. Those are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything to use them, but they do send a small commission over to me if you decide to use those links, and I would definitely appreciate it if you did. So without further ado, I'm going to get into some of these watches that I have on the table today. Some of these watches I don't even remember what they were when I ordered them. But I do have a Liege here. I've got a Sterling, a Tsar Bomba, a Noxon. I wanted to say Nixon, but it's a Noxon watch, if that's pronounced correctly. A Paris Crown, and a couple of other watches that I don't remember the names of that came in as well. So without further ado, let's get into it and take a look at what we have here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to cover all the watches that I have here in this video, so there may be a part 2, so stay tuned for that. So let's start with this watch brand here. This is a movement watch, MVMT. Now, I'm not going to go over too many intricacies of these watches in this video. I'm just going to kind of open them up and show you what's in them. But let's see here. This is a movement watch, MVMT. The box looks really beat up for some reason. But let's see what we've got in here. Okay. So this is a movement watch. So this is a really nice looking watch here. Let me see if I got one that's pretty similar to this here. Okay, so not Navaforce. This one is a Aocasti. So, but this is the one that it kind of reminds me of this watch. This watch has the silicone band. This one also has the silicone band on it, and to me they're strikingly similar. This one has the darkened stainless on it, which is a really nice effect, but really similar looking watches. But anyhow, this looks like a good quality watch. It does say it's 10 bar water resistant on the back there, so you can kind of see that. And it's all stainless steel case with a Japanese movement. Very nice looking watch, guys. I mean, I can't see much that I don't like about this watch as far as its style, its color. But just some basics on the watch, guys. This is the Movement Raptor. The model number on this is going to be the VD53C. It is a really nice looking watch. It's got some good weight to it. It does have that larger case diameter for the larger wrist. This is something that I really think is a really nice looking, sporty, clean, sporty looking watch. It's really nice. Price on this thing is also really, really good. It does have the 46 millimeter case. It boasts 100 meters of water resistance. These movement watches also come with a 2-year guarantee, as stated on the Amazon listing. So if you do want to head on over and check that out, like I said, I will be posting the link to it in the description below, so you can head on over and check it out. but this has the hardened mineral crystal and a Japanese quartz movement. Very, very nice watch. It looks like it's also going to be a real comfortable wear, because it does have the perforated inside, so to avoid some of these silicone bands, you put them on, and the sweat on your wrist actually makes it pretty uncomfortable. So it's always nice when they do this perforation on the inside of the band, to kind of wick away some of that moisture. But it's a very nice looking watch. It's got some, like I said, good weight to it, really nice styling. It's very reminiscent of this A.O. Cassidy watch that I do have here, which I do like a lot. It's a really nice looking watch, gets you a lot of compliments. This blue color is really sharp. The buckle's really nice with the engraved movement logo on the clasp. Very nice looking watch. This thing, let's see if it's got a retail price on it. MSRP. It does not have an MSRP on it, but this watch is very well priced at $159 on Amazon. So I will, like I said, click on that link below and you can head on over and pick it out. And I do believe this thing was available in some other styles and colors as well, but check it out in the listing below. So on to the next watch, guys. I'm going to be opening up this Tsar Bomba watch, which is an homage watch to a very, very high-end luxury brand. I will not mention the name of that luxury brand, but if you know, then you know. I do have a couple of other ones that are very reminiscent of that high-end luxury brand, but these are a little bit more in the higher end price range for the homages on this watch. Nowhere near what an original one would cost, because like I said, if you know, then you know. But these things can go upwards of in the millions of dollars. So these are a very well priced, affordable option for a very popular look. And this one is by Tsar Bomba. Price is a little bit higher on this one, but not too high. It's still in that budget friendly range. This is the Tsar Bomba Tano sports chronograph. It does have a Japanese quartz movement and a sapphire crystal, guys. So they didn't cheap out on the crystal with this thing. So sapphire crystal, Japanese quartz movement. It has 50 meters of water resistance. It's an all stainless steel case with the barrel shape to it. And it does look like a really, really nice watch. I think it's really, really sharp looking. It does have the 3 sub dials. It does have the hour, the 12 hour, the minute, and also the date at the 4 o'clock position. So really nicely designed watch. It's got that orange color strap, which to me seems a little bit more dull than I would have liked it to have been. I would have liked it to be a little more orangey, kind of like, but it is kind of a dim kind of an orange, which I don't know if I would care too much to wear that. I would like it to be a lot more sharp orange, but that's just a matter of preference. And like I always say in my videos, we all like different things. So something that I might like, you guys might not like, and something you like, I might not like. So I'm just here to show you these watches and tell you my opinions on them. But really nice watch from Tsar Bomba. Price on this thing it's really well priced at $186. So like I said, it does sit squarely in that budget friendly price range. And of course, that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman. On YouTube, I review budget friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you do like that concept, I'd appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. The next watch that I do have today, and like I said before, I will be going over these watches in more detail later on. But right now, I just got to kind of get caught up on these watches so that I can get these out to you. What's the other one that I should go over today? We went Tsar Bomba. You know what? Let's go over this one, because I think I know which one this is, and it sure is. This is a pretty unique watch. Let's see here. It comes in a wooden case. This is a pretty unique watch. I think you guys will like this one. If you're looking for something pretty unique and out of the ordinary, I just hope it lives up to my expectations. It looked really nice online. Okay, it comes with the sizing tool and your warranty card in there as well, with some instructions. But this watch is actually made out of wood, guys. It's made out of sandalwood. This is called the BoBo Bird skeleton. And there's my buddy Shrody trying to get involved in the video. Okay, bud, you got to get out of the way. Shrody, come on. I know. Say bye. Say bye to everybody. All right. So this is a skeleton watch. BoBo Bird skeleton watch made out of sandalwood. And the thing I love the most about this watch is they actually went with not a quartz movement, but they actually went with an automatic movement and the exhibition case, which is really nice. They've got the exhibition case with the counterweight back there, which if you watch my videos before, you know I'm a big fan of these exhibition cases because you get to see the watch from both sides, and that's really kind of a cool option. Shrody, hey, I'm trying to do a video here. Okay, so, but really nice looking watch, guys. It's made out of wood. It's made out of sandalwood, so this will actually darken. Shrody! Really nice watch. This wood actually darkens in the sunlight, so it actually will change color. The only thing that I kind of wish it would have is a rotatable bezel on it, because I think that would make this thing so cool if they actually had a separate wooden piece that had the bezel and it was able to rotate. But I don't know how they would mechanically achieve that, but that would be such a super cool option if it could do that. But other than that, really, really nice watch. It's a self-winding automatic, very, very good. Looks like a very good quality watch with the good craftsmanship on the wood. And it's not too heavy. It's kind of a lighter watch, but just the conversational aspect of this watch is worth it alone. It does have a stamped stainless clasp, and like I said, it does come with the sizing tool so that you can size it. But just the conversational aspect on this watch alone would be worth it. Really, really, really good price on this thing. This thing you can pick up on Amazon right now for somewhere in the neighborhood of 65 bucks. And like I said before, just to have a good conversation piece, it's definitely worth it for $65. So this is the BoBo Bird wooden skeleton watch. And we also went over the Tsar Bomba tonneau. And we also went over the Movement Raptor. So these are the three watches from this video. I will be posting links to all three of these watches in the description below so that you guys can head on over and pick these up and wear them for yourselves. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you guys want to head on over and check out my website, davethewatchman.com, I also have my watches posted, all these watches posted there, so you guys can click on any of the links and head on over and pick these watches up. Like I said before, they are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more, but they do send a small commission over to me if you decide to purchase, and that is very much appreciated. Once again, I hope everybody had a great holiday season. I hope you guys had a good Christmas, good New Year's, and like I said, I am getting back into the swing of things for the new year, so I do have a lot more watches coming in. I have a few more on this table that I still have to open up for you guys, and I've got more watches on the way. I always have more watches coming in because, like I said, I really have a problem. I keep buying watches. There's only so many watches somebody can have, right? I don't know about that. I'm just going to keep on buying watches. I'm going to keep these videos coming to you guys. So once again, I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I'm Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. Thank you guys so much.